Anti-cheat. 1. Close FACEIT and your game. 2. Go to Settings, Apps, uninstall FACEIT Anti-cheat, FACEIT Client if installed. 3. Restart your PC. 2. Clear all old FACEIT drivers, fixes the error. 1. Press Win-X command prompt admin. 2. Run this command. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Look for any drivers named FACEIT, faceit.sys, or anything similar. 4. Remove them one by one with, you can see the code in our conversation history. 5. Restart your PC again. This removes the corrupt driver causing data supplied as of wrong type. #3. Enable required security features. Go to BIOS/UEFI and turn on Secure Boot, TPM 2.0 Virtualization, Intel VTX or AMD IOMU SVM mode if available. Save and restart. 4. Fix Windows system files. Open command prompt admin run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart. 5. Reinstall FACEIT properly. 1. Download the latest FACEIT anti-cheat from the official site. Install normally, not run as administrator. Launch FACEIT normally. 4. Log in and start your game from inside FACEIT, not manually. Chapter 6. Disable conflicting apps. Before launching FACEIT, exit fully. VPNs, Razer Cortex, MSI Afterburner, RTSS, Overwolf, Discord overlay, third-party antiviruses, ESET, Bitdefender, Kaspersky, etc. Anti-cheat errors often come from these. 7. Reset network integrity, fixes driver communication error. Run command prompt admin. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart. 8. Launch the game the correct way. Open FACEIT. Start the anti-cheat. Start the game directly from FACEIT. Make sure you are using the correct Steam account.